My subscriber. Hope you guys have a lovely Christmas, you know what I mean? Yeah man. It's Boxing Day today. And we are try balance up something here. So I say, yeah man, some carrot and some cabbage. And you don't know, so some red kidney bean and some corn with some coconut milk. And you don't know. Some rice. Yeah man. And some rice. So you can balance up them there and start the process. This is what I say? Yeah man, because you don't know, we have to eat some food. Give thanks. Maximum respect to my viewers and my subscriber them. Out. Stay with us. Dante Records Entertainment. YouTube. Like and share. Right guys, that's it. That's my carrot scrape. Just need to wash my carrot and cut it up. Stay with us. YouTube. Alright guys, I'm about to cut my carrot up now. As you can see, wash, cut up. That's it. Carrot all cut up now. Alright guys, I won't be using all of this cabbage. So I'll be using this bit and save this bit for next day. I was looking for a bit of broccoli. I didn't sight in it today. So got on with some cabbage. That we do. That we do. If you notice, bump is still there. I don't want that. So there you go. Now I cut my season up, my carrot and my cabbage. So I just need to do all my sweet corn, my red peas, my coconut milk. Stay with us, YouTube. So right guys, as you can currently see now, I'm about to light my stove, get the pot hot, and then I get some oil in it, start my frying. Stay with us, Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Like and share. Right guys, as you can currently see now, the pot is about hot, so I'm gonna pour some oil to do the frying. Yeah. Start off the frying. You can see, butter go balance right there, so see me? Once this pot is hot, I'm gonna put some frying in. Don't know Boxing Day now, so as I say, you know what I mean, I hope everyone enjoy the Christmas, you know what I mean? Yeah man, I hope all the family is well, you know what I mean? Yeah man. 2022 is our next year coming, you know what I mean? A prosperous year for everybody, you see me? So just make a use of on the time. You don't know. Shall leave it on the rain, you know? Alright guys, I'm about to start a bit of frying. Go. Start some frying up. You don't know that frying up. Start balance up the rest of the things then. Don't know so things set. Dante Records Entertainment for YouTube. You see me? Yeah man. You can currently see we already have a kidney bean ready. Yeah. Just easy make that simmer with it as well. You can program the corn. You know what I mean? Yeah. Arrangement up in the kitchen is what I say. Yeah man. Blessed Sunday to each and every one. Yes I. Dante Records Entertainment. YouTube. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter at Dante Records. Out for now my viewers and my subscribers. Mad. Right guys. Currently and I put my cabbage on top of this, yeah, with a bit of coconut milk. As you can see, I already balanced up my coconut milk already, so just get my cabbage inside. So we'll cook it down with the coconut milk. See what going? Yeah man, that's the thing there, isn't it? Balance it down with some coconut milk. That shall look a bit of vital like butter upon it. Super. See? And that's the thing there, you know? See? Show now how go on now. So the thing set now, so you don't know set up a simmer. You see me? Don't know cabbage set already. So as I say, Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Like and share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Arrangement up in the kitchen, out here, mad. YouTube. So I go on. Eat a turn. Yeah. Coconut milk. You go and simmer, you see me? Yeah, man. Eat a turn. So you don't know how things set, you see me? Dante Records Entertainment. Guys, my food is actually finished now. Yeah, man. It's all balanced now, you know what I mean? Rice and cabbage. You don't know how things set, you see me? I say? Yeah, currently I did put on my rice early because I did have to nip out. But yeah, I get back and finish my veg as you can see. Yeah, man. Everything up and running now. Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Like and share. Subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Out. One. Yeah, man. Food done cook, so you don't know. Boss a one drink, isn't it? Boss a one Budweiser, isn't it? So the thing set you know, Dante Records Entertainment. YouTube. Blessed holiday. Out. One. Yes, my viewers and my subscriber. So if you do enjoy watching this video, please remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, share, comment, subscribe at Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Out for now. One. Mad.